Hello everyone. I was able to pick up something I've been wanting for a long time, so let's take a look at it. I just picked up this very awesome, I believe it's a Century Mig Welder. I believe it's from the 1984. There's a sticker on the back that says a date code. I don't know if that's gonna clear up or not to read it, but it says 6/12/84, so I believe that would be 6/12/84. But it has all kinds of different settings on the front. It has spot weld, continuous, and stitch, and the time interval for everything. All the knobs feel good. Nothing too loose or anything. Everything feels good. Power switch feels good. Got the wire advance and the gas purge and the wire speed and the heat selector. All that looks good. And it has a Tweco mini MIG gun. It needs another tip for it. The threads are in there. It just needs another tip for it. And even come with a basically full roll of 0.035 wire and 3 tips. I just need to get the whatever needs to go in there for that to actually screw on. But it's going to be a little bit before I can actually use it, because the power cord, it runs off of I think a 220, and I do not have a plug for that yet. I'm gonna have to either install one or have somebody else install one. But even came with a regulator. So yes, I have a MIG welder. Even come with that stand too. It's gonna be a little bit before I can use it, and it is going to just eat away at me until I can actually use it. But I am very happy, very happy. But a little short video, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you. You look at this side. It's got a decent ground clip on it. But there it is. There's my new Century All-Star wire feed welder. There's the model number right there. A little bit more of the information on there. Let's get that full in shot. There you go. Well, there it is. There is my new MIG welder. I am so happy to finally have one. That flux core welder would not have done the job for anything I wanted to do really on body work, because that flux core was not really suitable for welding on sheet metal. So now that I finally have a MIG welder, I can get it wired up and get a plug wired up so I can actually use it and just have fun with it. I'll be able to use this thing on the Charger and the truck when I get to doing body work, along with whatever else I decide to do. So this welder is going to have me set for a long time. But there it is. There's my video. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and keep updated with my future projects. Got all kinds of projects on my truck and on my Charger here. The Charger there, and truck there in the background. But that's it, and I'll see y'all later.